Hi, my name is Brad Davis at Glenny Thomas Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram, and today I was going to tell you a little bit about the 2020 Chrysler Pacifica. This is the limited model, and teach you how to do the Stow and Go seats on this van. Very simple, it makes it very user friendly, so let me show you how you would start that out. Inside there is a button here that you press to be able to move the front seat forward. You just hit this here, and that will move the driver's seat, and it's also on the passenger seat, so you can move those forward to be able to do the Stow and Go. The second thing you're going to want to do is bring the arm rest up so it's easy to fold. The third thing is you bring this clip. If it has floor mats, you can remove those and then place them on top afterwards. You move it up like this, and then the next thing you're going to do is you fold this down here, and then you hit the Stow and Go button that releases the latch, and the seat just drops down like so. And then you can grab this on top and just push it, and it locks into place. Just like that. And you can put the floor mat on top as it has the little buttons there, the little plugins for your floor mats. To move it back up, again, very simple. You release it right here, fold this up, hit the Stow and Go button, latch, fold this up like so. And it gets it right back where you need to be. If you do want to use the seat to be able to get to the back, you can also just tilt it forward like that to make an easy entrance into the rear. So come on in and let us show you how the Stow and Go works and make it very easy for you and your family. Thanks.